Shakara.
Hey, Shadagodam.
Share. Mumpo, ye di biamba.
Oi, another classic. Father baby.
My husband.
What that?
If you me your woman, I beg come. I tire rough. The sun is too scorching. What did they do inside?
I'm coming, waiting.
Hurry up.
I make myself I want to go out.
Hey, you are looking standing though.
What are you saying now? You sometimes this is now your mouth. You go say something, say I'll be president. I mean, because I go further.
If I hype you, say thank you.
Thank you.
Explain things.
Thank you.
Hey, it's coming. Go come your man. You coffee on me. I say something. Oh, I can't know. Fuck on me and fuck on me. It's never actually. Oh, you want him say we daily bread.
Okay. So I should add it.
Add the rest, yes, so that you go and give it to him.
Oh, okay.
Next now you're calling your mafufu.
Oh, okay. But right now, where are you going?
No, I'm going to sleep.
You are going to sleep?
Yes.
You
are going out.
Like we are. Let's go and escort me at that place.
Don't think you're going to use this money.
No. How can I use this thing now? Why they do this thing now? Sometimes I watch your people and say that when they catch me. Don't worry about it.
Hey.
You know, say the last time we went to the other place. Come and see people they run like this, people they don't touch that people. No be easy.
So you to go there to touch that?
No, I mean, I saw something where they explained to you, they talk like this.
I didn't hear it.
I said that people they rush, people want to do something. Where did they dance? What did they become the go? I just say get a come.
Hey, this one I know that Nigeria dance before.
Hey.
No, but you see that one, Oh, biscuit. The one that you do like this.
Okay. When they do like this, when they do like this. Can you try it? Don't worry. Go sleep.
Yes, I'm going to have a little nap. By the time you return, your food will be ready.
No, hello.
Don't keep long, go.
I'll be mumu. I'll not be mumu where I will keep long, go.
Can you see for the road?
Don't worry about it.
Hey, Inai.
Don't worry.
Inai, the money, I beg you.
Cover yourself well. If you are sleeping, now you just sleep.
Inai, I'm talking about the money. Be careful of the money. You see road robbers around. Oh, they're calling them one of them.
Okay, very good.
Shakara.
Hey, Shadagodam.
Share. Mumpo, ye di biamba.
Oi, another classic. Father baby.
It's candy baby.
Chinchina chai. Yapwe. Shakala. Bagala. Shakala. Bagala. Munjami. Shakala. Bagala. Shakala. Bagala. Munjami.
Lawyer, are you going to call when you
Yes, Dr. Bia deceiving the clan. I'm going to see him caught.
Lawyer, that's the way they call us.
You are telling me this?
Yes, Fanny called Nasek Heba Hospital.
Thank you.
Welcome to Nasek Heba Hospital. Thank you, doctor. Open your share. You share your outdoor. You say heart failure, kidney failure, or liver diseases.
Liver diseases?
And I stroke and yare na sebi bema any oba any shiemu yarewa any oba ni bema awo eho problem nyina me sa e wo yahwe ha. Nasek Heba Hospital ha. They are expert in orthopedic and cardiovascular diseases.
Orthopedic and cardiovascular
diseases.
Oh, I love to hear that.
Moja any intini akoma any numpemu yare sa e wo yahwe ha.
Wow! Nasek Heba Hospital. Orthopedic and cardiovascular expert.
Wow! no. Chum. Woo! Whoa! What a penalty! That's right. When the Ghana people say, "Nyami akote so too much," you are very pretty. Don't say thank you. Say thankies. See, I never in my life to see yellow people like this. Hey, you are very good. I just like you. Hello. Hi. I want that one. Hello.
Hi,
Ah, God. Where from you?
I'm from the U.S. I came here for holidays.
See, ma, I tell you, my name is Ibuche. I come from Nigeria. I have a lot of things I'm doing in this country. This country is my second country. In Ghana here, exactly. And I built houses, mansions, and a lot of things. But the way I see you, I think say you suit on my advert I want to shoot.
Really?
Don't say really, say marvelous.
Marvelous.
Exactly. Your action, your body, the way you are standing, the way you are opening your mouth and your face, it seems that I have seen some gold and the diamonds, silver and a lot of things. Your face and the part of your body is looking so great. I just like you and please can't you give your tickets and maybe I won't flash you. I know the people, type of the people when they take the woman's number and they will flash. I will call you. Please can't you give me your tickets and I will call you. You will see my advert I want to shoot. 2022. This year is your year. You will be validating and jubilating in your life. Your life will never be the same and you will be shining on top of this world. Please can't you give me your tickets?
Okay, you want my number?
Exactly. Today my yapoti fufro. Today is the day I have to laugh and the mesuda yapa.
Here you go.
Okay. That is your number?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Your number is so cute. Sometimes if I see some yellow purple like this, it be like say, I take my heart to in there and the grado. When the blood go cover, I go swallow. The way you are standing like this, it seems that they have given you a gold and the diamond, and then you say you don't like it. Because you're smiling on your face, it seems like you are showing me something that love is hard the way sometimes we think. The way your body is standing, it seems that one year go for and that's over Muhammad. You are very pretty. Okay, don't worry. You know something? I want to go, but I have money and I have mansions. I have a lot of things. But when I see yellow purple like this, I have to give you something and then you take back some. This is not enough. Let me see. Take this for
really?
credit or peanut.
Thank you. Wow, you're
Take
so
it.
kind.
I'm more than kind.
Oh, so this is for me, right?
Take it.
Oh, wow.
The way you are standing, seems that I'm dying for you. Take it.
Thank you.
Don't worry, eh? Okay. So go in peace and okay?
Call me.
I will call you.
Okay,
No hala. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Guys, the way you are walking, Costa and Daluchi, guys. What do you mean? Wala yana magoso na incredible people. Yellow papa, guys, the whole town, you are the best. What do you mean? Wala yana magoso na incredible people. We are too much. Muti, you know, if you are just what? Yenyabidia ya chisoloku eto papa ni ile bi yasi yanyitu me yabadi si yanyitu but mutino yabadi ile that kai na tebe yakwa aboa me se aboa asia dia de o me manji I don't know kono se wa fe your dad wa o yi flama kwa chewe na kono we ni ko papa mo yabadi atu eto papa ni ẹ̀dùn ọ̀pápá ní ẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀dùn ọ̀pápá ní ẹ́ And man, don't Joe, to Papa. 3%.